to you. Last night the preacher was talking about the message of the hour, which is the light of this day. Every day has its message. Every day has its message. In the days of Noah, God told Noah, prepare the ark, and that's the only message of salvation for the world at that time. I don't care how many powerful preachers can preach. The message has gone forth, and Noah was a living testimony of the deliverance that God is about to bring. He was a testimony that God will send rain upon the earth, and there has been no rain on the earth since 2,000 years. But Noah came with a strange message, and his message was unaccepted. But God must always have a witness in on the earth that will follow Christ, the wisdom of this world. And Jesus said, I am the light